In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Asana, a platform designed to streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. Asana can be an incredible tool for managing your team's projects and tasks, so let's get started on setting up your team within this versatile platform. Once you've logged in, you're now ready to start creating your team. The process begins by locating the Create feature within Asana's dashboard. This feature opens up a world of new possibilities, including the chance to invite team members to join you on Asana. It's your first big step from individual efforts to collective triumphs. After you click on the Create button, you'll be prepared to bring your team into the fold. Next, you'll want to click on Invite to commence the process of adding members to your team. This is where you select the individuals who will partner with you, tackling projects and achieving goals together. To do this effectively, type in the email addresses of those you wish to invite. A quick tip here. Be sure to double-check the email addresses for any typos. It's important because you wouldn't want your invitation mistakenly landing in someone else's inbox. After you've entered the email addresses, the next task is to select the projects to which you would like your invitees to have access. This is a crucial step, as it dictates the tasks and information your team members can see and interact with. When making your selections, consider the relevance of each project to each team member's role. It's all about streamlining operations and ensuring everyone has access to what they need to succeed, no more, no less. Finally, with all your selections carefully in place, click on the Send button to dispatch your invitations. And with that, congratulations are in order. You've just expanded your team's capabilities and taken a significant step towards more efficient collaboration. Keep in mind that setting up your team in Asana is just the beginning. The real power of Asana comes when you leverage this tool to its fullest potential, stay organized, and keep your team engaged. Thus, don't hesitate to experiment with different features and encourage your team to dive fully into Asana's capabilities. You'll soon see your projects smoothly transition from to-do lists to completed tasks. And there you have it. Simple, right? You're now well-versed in the basics of creating a team in Asana. This tool's intuitive interface and robust features are crafted to make managing tasks feel seamless. Happy organizing. And here's to the amazing work you and your team will accomplish together.